Good afternoon, guys. I am Stephanie Baker, one of your directors. I'm going to show you how to create Facebook party groups through the new Facebook layout. Um, and I'll just walk you through creating the group. So give me 1 second to share my screen. Okay. The first thing you're going to want to do um, is this is assuming you already have your business page created. Um, if you don't, I can do another video or help you create a business page. Um, but to get to your business page, this is your personal Facebook. You go up to the circle in the upper right-hand corner where your face is, click it, and then I have more than one page, but you switch to your business page. Okay. And then on the left-hand side, under suggested, you're going to see groups. Click that. And then right here, click create new group. I like to keep my Facebook party groups names simple. I'm actually setting one up for a party I have running that starts Friday. So I will typically just put their first name unless I have a ton of, say, like Ashley's or Nikki or Nicole's. Then I'll put their last initial so that I can kind of keep them separated. So let's see, Liza Spring, Pampered Chef Party. You can make the name whatever you decide, have fun with it. Under choose privacy on the next section, you're going to make sure that's private group. This makes sure that only people that are invited to the group are allowed into the group. People can request to be added, but it kind of keeps the spammers down and um, makes it so it's just your hosts and their guests. And then under this one, it says hide group, visible or hidden. Make sure it is visible and then click create. The first thing I do when creating a group is upload the cover photo. Don't mind my screen. Um, I have some spring cover photos. If you guys want them, I can send them. That's not a problem. Just shoot me a private message and I will um, make sure you get those. It does take a minute usually. Um, the next thing I do, there's a little checklist here, is add the description. I have my description in Google Docs. I've already updated it for this party to say her name with her shopping link. So all I have to do is copy paste. Again, if you guys want this, I can send it to you. And then I usually just go through because if I put a space on the Google Docs, it does a double space and puts too much space. I just make sure there's a spot between each of the space between each of the sections. Makes it easier to read for the guests. And then I do usually put my phone number and my message me link here. But I know YouTube is sometimes kind of iffy with personal information, so I just left it out. I'll update it after I'm off the recording. I hit save. Now this is where I will exit this list out. That puts the description right at the top next to where you make posts. And I will, at this point, create a post. I copy paste my host's shopping link. post. And then I will make a post with the catalog link, whatever the current catalog is. Right now it's the spring. And then you go down to where you see where you made the post and these three little dots here. I pin both of those posts, both the shopping link and the catalog link, to featured. That will make sure it is at the very top of the page, so that it's easy for the guests to find. So I put them both in the group description and in the featured posts at the top of the page. Now, to link your personal account and make yourself an admin, go back up to the corner, click your Facebook picture to go back to your main page, and click join group. Usually it stays on the same page. Very rarely do I have it switch out of the group. And then you go back to your business page. Again, click that circle and switch to your business page. When you switch back to your business page, you will have to I have a ton of groups, so you can it'll either show up right here if you don't have that many, or you can search it in the group up top. So go back into your party group, and then it will show on the left-hand side, member requests. Click that and click approve. Go back to community home. Go under members. And then the three little dots in the square next to your name. Click that and hit invite as admin. Send invite. And then go back to your personal page. When you go back to your personal page, it will show that your business page invited you to become an admin. Click accept. Now to link PostMyParty, that's the next step. You go to the left-hand side of the screen, and under group settings, click that. This is also where you will be changing the name of the group throughout the week with your host coaching. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom and see apps right here. It says no apps are linked. Click the pencil. Click add apps. Now over here in this search bar, post, sorry, search PostMyParty, all one word. Click it and click add. Then go back to the community home here, hit refresh. Scroll down and you'll see the first post in the party is that you added the third-party app. Click manage access and make sure that mine automatically did it. Some don't automatically do it. If there is a blue box here that says allow access, click allow access, and then you won't have any problem linking your party once you're in the PostMyParty app. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Feel free to reach out to me. I'm Stephanie Lynn on Facebook. I don't have my last name on there. And hope you guys have a great rest of your day.